Hi everyone, my name is Akasha, and in today's video we're going to be making quick and healthy cinnamon rolls in a mug. I saw this on this Instagram called superfoodgoals. It popped up on my feed and I was like, I have to try that. So we're going to go ahead and start off with the ingredients. So I got my ingredients from Target and Walmart, so let's go ahead and start. I have the coconut palm sugar, coconut sugar from Good & Gather, Target, organic coconut oil, Target, Good & Gather brand again. And then we also have this all-purpose flour, got that at Walmart. It's the Gold brand. And then I forgot to get baking powder, so I'm gonna use my mom's like Pakistani baking powder thing. It's the same. And then I have almond milk here. It's the Blue Diamond. I think you can use regular milk too, but don't quote me on that. I'm just following the recipe. So then we have ground cinnamon as well. And you're gonna need a banana. So you're gonna need to take half the banana and smash it up in a bowl. So I just got this little bowl here. It doesn't have to be big or anything because this is all gonna go into a mug in the end anyways. So here it is, and I'm just gonna smash that up for you guys. This was a large banana, by the way. I would suggest using a large one. That's what it says anyways, and the instructions will be in the description. I feel like I suck at making voiceovers. It's been so long since I've done one. So there's how it looks when it's all mixed up. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab the flour, open that up, and we're going to put in 6 tablespoons of flour. Now you can read in the description, see if you're using like a gluten-free flour or like a paleo, if you needed to use a different amount, because there's different amounts for whichever, I guess, type of cinnamon roll you're trying to make, like whether it's gluten-free or paleo. And then you're going to put in 1 teaspoon of the baking powder and then 1 tablespoon of the almond milk. And if you're doing a different flour, once again, it's a different amount of almond milk. So just read the description. It's not my recipe. I'm just following it the best I can. And yeah, so then I went ahead and mixed everything up, mixed all that dry ingredients, and then tried to knead it. And here I am adding more flour on top and trying to pull it out of the bowl. It was very, very sticky, so I lined up my surface with some flour and I did the best I could to knead it, add more flour every time it was getting really sticky, and just do it like this. The video on Instagram was very short and not like super detailed, so I just followed it to the best I could. It said not to roll it out too thin with your hands because you're patting it down with your hands, but I did it too thin the first time and it ripped like that. So the second time I made sure it wasn't too thin. Then you're gonna go ahead and grab your sugar, your coconut sugar, and put in a tablespoon. Here it is. It's going into a little bowl separate from our dough. Also want to add in a teaspoon of cinnamon, but I wanted a little extra, so you'll see me here putting in a little extra. Just ignore that because I just like cinnamon, okay? Like it tastes yummy, like cinnamon on applesauce, all that fun stuff, okay? And then you want to go ahead and open up your coconut oil, and I melted mine in the microwave for 20 seconds. I don't know if I caught, like, there's like different kinds of coconut oil, like refined and all that, and so I don't know if I was supposed to get a different kind, but this is what I did. I got it and I melted it, and then I brushed it on to the dough, and then just take the sugar mixture and sprinkle it right on, and then I put it in my hand and sprinkled it on that way too, so I had like a better control, I guess, of the mixture. But here's how it looks. Kind of was like spreading it out with my fingers so that it was kind of even-ish, and I just rolled it up, and then I took a butter knife and I cut it in 2/3, just like how the person did in the video. And this is just me trying to make it like really even. So there's me going in with my butter knife and just splitting it into thirds, and you're going to want to put it in the mug, but you're supposed to make this mixture first, which it's down in the description, just read it. But I didn't have the stuff to make it, which was, I think, coconut milk. I did not have that, so I had to improvise. But if you have powdered sugar at home, take powdered sugar and mix some milk in, and that will make a glaze. For me, I was out of powdered sugar, so I had to improvise. So I did the coconut sugar and vanilla creamer, and I mixed that together. But if you read her instructions, I believe it was coconut sugar and coconut milk, like the creamy part of it. And I just drizzled on what I made when I improvised after it was in the microwave for 90 seconds. That's what her recipe calls for. It felt kind of like almost overcooked, but it looked like it was undercooked. So, but I think it's just how it is. I mean, it was microwaved and it's like half banana and all that. So here's me taste testing it. Honestly, I thought it was so, like, I wouldn't do it again because it's really messy to make. It's so much easier to just buy like the cinnamon roll cans, but if you do have like a food allergy or gluten-free or whatever, this is so much easier for you guys. So yeah, and they are healthier than regular cinnamon rolls, so I guess that's a pro. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any suggestions for another video or any ideas, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you. Bye.